Imagine if a group of people, or for example, a caravan of camels is passing by, and this person is looking through this hole at them. At each time, he would only see very little part of even one camel. He cannot see the entire group. He cannot see the entire body of one camel. He can see the head, the neck, the stomach, the tail of first camel, then he doesn't see anything. Then the next one starts with head, neck, etc. So for him, his knowledge of the whole thing comes gradually. And at each time, he can only see very a small part of the whole reality that exists at the same time. But if someone is on the roof and has a vision from the top, he can see all of them together. Okay? At the same time that he can see all of them together, he can also see which one comes first and which one comes second. So it's not that he doesn't understand the order, he doesn't understand the sequence. No, he understands the sequence. He understands that there is a gradual process, but he sees everything at the same time. Our example is like the one who is looking through the hole. And Allah's example is even greater than being on the roof, because even the one who is on the roof doesn't know about the future or the past. But it's just an example to help. We say in Arabic, of course, in Hausa studies, التشبيه يقرب من جهة ويبعد من جهات. Whenever you compare something with another thing and you want to say, for example, this example can help, you should be careful that it is just from one aspect like that, not from every aspect. Okay? For example, when we say someone is like lion, it means in bravery, not in every aspect. Yeah. For example, they say that lion, his mouth smells very bad. So if you say someone is like lion, you don't mean that he is brave. Also, his mouth smells very bad. Okay. So when we use tashbih, when we liken, it's just from one aspect. So with respect to examples that you use for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you have to always be careful, and you have to always say laysa kamithlihi shay. There is nothing like him or nothing like him. Okay, after this example, now we move on to talk about the knowledge. You might already know, and maybe I mentioned, I'm not sure, because I teach different classes, so I'm not sure whether we discussed it here. The classification of knowledge into knowledge by presence and conceptual knowledge. We didn't discuss here. Ilm huduri and ilm husuli. So ulama say we have two types of knowledge.